In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sketches in Figma. By the end, you'll be confidently sketching ideas right inside Figma using a simple, flexible canvas that's perfect for quick concepts, wireframes, or brainstorming. First, open your browser and head to figma.com. Once the page loads, click the Login button. Choose Continue with Google, then pick the account you want to use. If a permissions window appears, just confirm so Figma can connect to your account. In a moment, you'll land on your Figma home screen. From here, you can either open a recent project if you already have one started, or create a fresh canvas. To start new, click FigJam at the top right. FigJam is Figma's whiteboard style space, ideal for freehand sketching and quick visual thinking. It's lightweight, fast, and great when you want to get ideas down without worrying about polish. Once your FigJam file opens, look along the bottom of the screen. That's where the core tools live. Find the marker tool and select it, and this is your go-to for drawing freehand. You'll see options to tweak how the pen behaves, so before you start sketching, take a moment to configure your pen to your liking. Pick a color that stands out against the canvas, adjust the stroke thickness for bolder or finer lines, and choose a style that feels comfortable for your hand and device. A slightly thicker line often works well for headers and framing boxes, while a thinner line is great for detail. Now start sketching whatever you like. Outline boxes to represent screens, draw arrows to show flow, or jot quick labels to keep your thoughts organized. Keep your strokes loose and iterative. You can always refine later. If you're on a trackpad, shorter strokes can help control wobbly lines. Use zoom to get closer for details and zoom out to check the overall layout. If you make a mistake, undo is your friend, so feel free to experiment. Remember that the bottom toolbar holds more than just the marker. While you'll stick with the marker for drawing, it's useful to know other tools are right there if you want to complement your sketch with quick notes or simple shapes later. Figma saves your work automatically in the cloud, so you don't need to worry about losing progress as you sketch and tweak your pen settings. That's it. Go to figma.com, log in, open a recent project, or start a new FigJam. Grab the marker at the bottom, configure your pen, and sketch your ideas. Keep it simple, stay flexible, and let your creativity guide the lines.